Interacting with files is a common task in programming. Whether you need to read configuration, store data, or process logs, Python's built-in file handling capabilities make it straightforward. In this section, we'll cover how to read from, write to, and manage files and directories. The core of file handling involves opening a file, performing an operation, read or write, and then closing it. We use the open function, specifying the file name and a mode, W for write, R for read, A for append. The with statement is highly recommended as it ensures the file is automatically closed even if errors occur. Let's look at different ways to read from files. Read gets everything, read line gets one line, read lines gets all lines as a list. The most Pythonic and memory-efficient way for large files is often to iterate directly over the file object. Writing to files also has different modes. W mode is good for fresh starts, while A is perfect for adding to existing content without erasing it. The OS module provides a way of using operating system-dependent functionality. It's useful for interacting with the file system. You can get the current directory, list its contents, create new directories, and even rename or delete files using functions from the OS module. Be careful with os.remove. The pathlib module offers an object-oriented approach to file system paths, making path manipulations cleaner and more intuitive than the os.path functions. Pathlib paths behave like objects, allowing you to chain methods and use operators like / for joining path components. It's generally considered the more modern and Pythonic way to handle paths. Beyond just handling individual files, you'll often need to manage directories, creating them, checking if they exist, or even removing them. Python's OS module again comes in handy here. os.mkdir creates a single directory. If you need to create multiple nested directories at once, like parent/child/grandchild, os.makeDirs is your go-to function. ExistOK equals true is very useful to prevent errors if the directory structure already exists. To remove an empty directory, you use os.rmdir. However, if a directory contains files or other subdirectories, os.rmdir will fail. For recursively deleting non-empty directories, you'll need the shuttle module's shuttle.reamTree function. I've commented it out in the example as it permanently deletes content and should be used with extreme care in your actual projects.